Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to see the internet cable. Ethernet cable is connected to your TV or not, how to reach the setting on your Xiaomi Google TV, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to see whether the Ethernet cable is connected perfectly or not? For that, you just need to go to the setting option first. So then you just need to click on the Wi-Fi option. So just click on the Wi-Fi option. After clicking on the Wi-Fi option, you just go down and you can find an option called Ethernet. So now it shows there is no Ethernet has been connected. So here you can see perfectly Ethernet is connected or not. You can just check whether the network is connected or not perfectly. You can check some here from the network and internets. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super Bible content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.